Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Nabila Yusra Syaidah, and I'm from 2DPBI. Now I want to present this about English consonant. Okay, let's start with Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, next. What is consonant? Consonant is involves some construction of airflow. Huruf konsonan dibagi dua. Unvoiced berarti tanpa getaran, dan voices adalah bergetar. Jumlah huruf konsonan ada 24. Okay, next. In consonant, there is place of articulation and manner of articulation. Place of articulation is speech sound are separated according to place and manner of articulation. Place of articulation, there is 7. The first is bilabial, or contact between the lips. Or we can say suara yang dihasilkan dari bibir bawah dan bibir atas ketika bertemu. Now, the letters at the words is like b, and m. And second, we have labiodental. Labiodental is contact between the lower lips and the upper teeth. Labiodental adalah suara kontak antara bibir bawah dan gigi atas. The sounds are produced is like v and v. Wait. Okay, start again. Next is dental. Dental is contact between the tip of tongue and the area just behind the upper teeth. Atau bisa yang disebut juga kontak antara ujung lidah dan daerah tepat di belakang gigi atas. The sounds are produced is like s and f. Next is alveolar. Alveolar is contact between the tongue and the ridge behind upper front teeth. Atau yang bisa disebut juga kontak antara lidah dan gigi gerigi tepat di belakang gigi atas. The sounds are produced is like t, g, and s. The 5 is palatal. Palatal is contact between the tongue and the hard palate or alveolar ridge. Atau yang disebut juga kontak lidah dan langit-langit keras, atau yang disebut alveolar ridge. The sounds are produced is like sh, and yeah. Okay, the 6 is velar. Velar is contact between the tongue and the soft palate. Bisa disebut juga kontak antara lidah dan langit-langit lunak. The sounds are produced is like k and g. And the last in place of articulation, there is glottal. Glottal is the sounds that produced at the glottis or the space between the vocal folds. Bunyi ini terjadi di glottis atau ruang di antara pita suara. The sounds are produced is like ha. Talk about manner of articulation. What is manner of articulation? Manner of articulation is refers to how the airflow is constricted in the vocal tract. Manner of articulation, there is 6. The first is nasal consonant. Nasal consonant created when you completely block airflow through your mouth and let the air pass through your nose. Atau bisa disebut juga menyelesaikan aliran udara melalui mulut dan membiarkan udara melalui hidung. The sounds are produced is like and the second consonant is when the vocal tract is closed completely. But for stop, airflow is not really through the nose. Stop consonant terjadi ketika vokal menutup sepenuhnya. Tetapi di sana akan ada aliran udara diarahkan yang melalui hidung. The sounds are produced is like Okay, the third is fricative consonant. Fricative consonant is sounds produced when the tongue approaches but doesn't make contact with a place of articulation causing a bottleneck of the airflow. Or we can say bunyi yang dihasilkan ketika lidah mendekat tapi tidak menyempit dengan artikulasi tempat yang menyebabkan hambatan aliran udara. The sounds are produced is like v, z, and sh. Next slide. We have still manner of articulation. Next is affricate consonant. Affricate consonant is start-stop sound with air building up behind an articulator, which then relays through a narrow as affricate. Or we can say bunyi henti dengan udara yang terbentuk di belakang artikulator yang kemudian dilepaskan melalui celah sempit. The sounds are produced is like j and j. Okay, next we have apportionment. Apportionment is when two articulators come close together but not quite close enough to create air turbulence. Or we can say ketika dua artikulator mendekat bersama-sama tapi tidak cukup dekat untuk menciptakan udara. The sounds are produced is like wah, iya, and roh. And the last is lateral. Lateral is when the tongue blocks the middle of your mouth so that air has to pass around the side. Lateral terjadi ketika lidah menghalangi bagian tengah mulut sehingga udara harus melewati sisi-sisinya. The sounds are produced is like lah. Okay. Maybe enough for me. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for all of my mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.